Unreal Engine 5 versus Red Engine, choosing the right game engine can completely transform how you create immersive games without compromising performance or flexibility. Both engines offer powerful tools but different approach and capabilities. Unreal Engine 5 and Red Engine are two leading game development platforms. Unreal Engine 5 focuses on versatility and cutting-edge graphics, while Red Engine emphasizes realistic physics and narrative-driven gameplay. The core difference lies in their design priorities and target game types. Unreal Engine 5 is a comprehensive game engine developed by Epic Games, known for its advanced real-time rendering capabilities. It uses Nanite virtualized geometry for detailed environments and Lumen for dynamic global illumination, enabling stunning visuals. The engine supports multiple platforms and offers extensive tools for animation, physics, and AI. Its blueprint system allows developers to create gameplay without deep coding knowledge, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. Strengths include high-quality graphics, a vast asset marketplace, and strong community support. However, Unreal Engine 5 can demand significant hardware resources and has a steep learning curve for advanced features. Ideal users are studios and developers aiming for AAA quality visuals, open-world environments, and cross-platform releases. Red Engine is a proprietary game engine designed by CD Projekt Red, optimized for narrative-rich, open-world RPGs like the Witcher series. It focuses on realistic physics, detailed character animations, and immersive storytelling elements. The engine integrates advanced AI for dynamic NPC behavior and supports expansive, complex worlds. Red Engine excels in delivering atmospheric environments with intricate lighting and weather systems, though it is less publicly accessible and customizable compared to Unreal Engine 5. Its strengths lie in depth of immersion and story integration, but it lacks the broad platform support and extensive third-party resources found in Unreal. Limitations include a narrower user base and less flexibility for non-RPG genres. It is best suited for experienced developers focused on deep story-driven games with high realism. Unreal Engine 5 and Red Engine serve different development needs. Unreal Engine 5 is ideal for developers seeking versatility across genres and platforms, with superior graphical fidelity and user-friendly tools. It suits projects requiring rapid prototyping and broad community resources. Red Engine, by contrast, is tailored for narrative-heavy RPGs with a focus on realism and complex AI, excelling in creating immersive story worlds but with limited accessibility and flexibility. For example, a studio developing a visually rich action-adventure might prefer Unreal, while a team focused on a deep RPG narrative would benefit from Red Engine's specialized systems. The trade-off involves Unreal's broader applicability versus Red Engine's focused depth in storytelling and realism. Choose Unreal Engine 5 if you need a versatile, high-fidelity engine with extensive support and tools for various game types and platforms. Opt for Red Engine when your project demands immersive storytelling and realistic world building, especially for RPGs. Both engines excel in different areas, so selecting the right one depends on your game's vision and development goals.